Hello, you're welcome today, and we're gradually coming to the end of the HTML tutorial. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the HTML5 audio. And so we're going to see how to embed an audio in an HTML document using the HTML5 tag. Previously, it was not an easy task to embed audio in HTML5, but HTML5 came and made it a lot easier. And so now to do that, I need you to go to your HTML document and create a folder. I've called it folder. So if I want to insert video, I'll also go ahead and create a video folder and put all my files there. So I have the audio file here. And so let's try and inspect the property. So you see, this is an MP3 file, it's an audio file. And so I will go ahead and see how we can. So I will save this. I'll now call it audio.html. Okay. You already know what I did by now if you follow the tutorial from the beginning. And so I'll go ahead and insert this. Let's see, using the audio tag. Okay. Another thing you want to do is to come in here and look for the source of the audio file. And the source is audio slash. This is audio file.mp3. Okay. And so I'll put this by default. Your browser does not support the element. Just in case. So another thing you need to add is to add control. So you type controls. Okay. And so let's go ahead and preview and see what we have. And so I'll locate the audio file. And so let's go ahead and play. Okay, let's be sure. So you can see this stuff. But let's be sure the file we're using is a good one and is properly linked. audio, let's be sure. audio. Okay, audio file. I need to put .mp3. So, but this should work now. Okay, so
yes, so no Karuba, no Wahab.
So as you can see, that's how easy it is to insert audio into the HTML file. Okay, using the audio elements. So there is also something I want to show you. You need to add this. Let's go ahead and add this. Always make it a practice. Just a moment. Okay, so we can do this way, another way. So let me go ahead and open the audio tag. So I will add controls here. Now it's important to add these controls. If you don't add it, the thing will not have a stop and play feature. Okay, so you can do this like this as well. I'm going to say source. So audio slash audio file dot mp3. Okay, the type of file, I'm going to say audio slash mpeg. And so when we say so why do I need to do this since the first one is working? Yeah, let me just teach you, just in case you come across it, so it doesn't, so OGG, so let's be sure. So the reason I always put this is just in case the file refuses to play or it doesn't work on the browser. So the OGG track, as you can see here, works very well in Firefox, Opera, and Chrome. While the same track in the MP3 format is added to make audio work in Internet Explorer. And so let's go ahead and see. Okay, so it's another way to add audio file. Another thing you can do, you can also link the audio file directly using the linking, this thing that I showed you guys initially. And so you would locate the .mp3. So I'll put the name advert file. So let's reload that. Just a moment. Okay. Why is it not showing? Okay, I'm trying to get this to show. Just a moment. Audio.html. Okay, I'm wondering why I don't know why the write-ups here is not showing. Okay, I got the problem. I was putting this inside the closing audio tag, and I wanted it to be in a separate place. Okay, so here you can link the MP3 file. People can click.
Yes, oh no, Kalu.
People can click and click on save to save it. Okay, that's if you want to give them the opportunity to save the file. And that's it about adding audio. The next thing I want to show you guys is how we can add video file as well to our web page. See you in the next lesson.